This is the Ring charging station with 2 battery packs, which is a compact and really popular charger. But after trying it out for a while now, there are definitely some things I wish I knew before buying. So I'm going to tell you everything you'll need to know about the Ring charging station, as well as how it compares to other charging stations. Ring's charging station and the 2 quick-release batteries provide some extra peace of mind for anyone who has a home equipped with Ring hardware. The batteries work with a lot of different Ring security devices, like their video doorbell, spotlight cam, peephole cam, and more. As soon as a battery loses power, simply pop it into the charging station. There, it will juice up almost twice as fast as it would if it were charging with just a micro USB cable. Plus, with the extra batteries it comes with, there's no need to wait for a pack to fully charge. Simply swap in a fresh one right away. This means those security devices don't ever have to be without power. The charging station won't get in the way either. It's sleek and compact, so it won't take up much room at all, and it plugs into any standard outlet. The battery packs are lightweight, and the quick-release mechanism allows for easy attachment and removal from the charging station or whatever device it's powering. With just a simple push and click, depleted battery packs can be swapped out for fully charged ones in a matter of seconds. This seamlessness makes sure the power supply isn't interrupted. The Ring charging station is a terrific device that will give users some extra security and peace of mind. With the extra batteries and fast charging, Ring security devices are always ready. Both the station and battery packs are made with convenience and ease in mind. The charger is sleek and discreet, while the packs themselves pop in and out easily. The Ring charging station with 2 quick-release battery packs is a great choice for anyone with Ring devices. Well, that's all for this video. Till next time, I'll see you guys later.